We are at Science Spectacular at the University of Manchester and Manchester Museum, and it's where we throw open our doors to the general public and invite you to be a scientist for the day. You can be a physicist, you can be a medical student, you can be a microbiologist, you can go and hang out with the fungi guys and find out why fungi is so important.
So I'm on the Genes and Joints stand.
Today we're displaying our showcase, which is basically an introduction to the microworld of fungi.
And we're trying to educate the public about how awesome turtles are.
So we've got over 40 stores inside Whitworth Hall.
We've got some demonstrations of some real-life avalanches.
Specifically, we're doing an experiment with blue Smarties to show people how the pigment that makes Smarties blue actually comes from this green microscopic algae.
I've learned lots about aerodynamics, lots about other different social sciences, things I didn't know before. I've learned all that sort of stuff.
And outside we've got our incredible science buskers.
They're learning lots of different things. You're just trying to give them something fun that when they woke up this morning, they didn't necessarily think was going to happen.
So it's important that we enthuse the next generation of engineers and scientists into these professions, because it's this type of activity that got me involved in it in the first place.
So Science Spectacular is great for us because it means we can talk to different people about our research. We can, from really young kids right up to adults, we can show everybody what we're doing right here in Manchester.
We've been before, and I know that the research is delivered in a really easy to understand format with lots of little experiments and rewards for the kids.
People are constantly coming into contact with things that exist because of our scientific understanding of the world. But lots of people lack that kind of fundamental understanding of what science is and how it works. So just giving them a fun engagement of how science works and being able to play with ideas.
I think it's really good to be able to relate to the public how science can relate to their everyday lives.
We are getting people excited, not just about thin layers of carbon, stuff that you find in your pencil. We are getting them excited about the future. We're at the start of a revolution and we want people to join in the revolution, to get excited.
The point is that we are handing over the science to you. It's about curiosity, it's about wonder, it's about finding that rediscovery of science and what we really love about it.
I would come back next year, I would come back every year.
Well, Manchester is supposed to be a centre of excellence for science, now with the Graphene Centre and things like that. It's really good to give people that kind of public engagement with science and the scientific things, and it's just like a great opportunity to do those kinds of things.
It was like spectacular.